Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to hide and show walls. Let's try it together. Go to Interior Design Tools. If you want to hide and show exterior walls, you need to switch to 3D mode. Click on the eye icon. You can choose whether to check or uncheck exterior wall. When exterior wall is checked, exterior walls will be showed. When unchecked, exterior walls will be hidden. If you want to hide and show all walls, both 2D and 3D modes are available. Click the eye icon to choose whether it's a check or uncheck wall in the structure. When wall is checked, all walls will be showed. When unchecked, all walls will be hidden. That's all. Thanks for watching.